Now, through the miracle of modern technology, TBS brings you Sunday morning in front of the television. It's as much fun as TBS can pack into 3 hours. The Jetsons, the Flintstones, more Flintstones, Captain Planet, and 2 brand new shows, SWAT Cats, The Radical Squadron, and 2 Stupid Dogs.
Are you kids going to spend the whole Sunday morning in front of the television?
Yeah!
It's TBS Sunday morning in front of the television, beginning at 7:05 Eastern only on TBS.
477 to dispatch. We have a code 3.
RoboCop. The state-of-the-art
Please, officer. No loitering.
in law enforcement technology.
I thought your ninja was supposed to take care of RoboCop for me.
RoboCop 3. Back to fight the system. Rated PG-13. Starts November 5th.
Yes, doctor. Oh, I'm getting a cold. And for my symptoms, I need a name I've counted on for years. From the makers of Advil. Advil Cold and Sinus. It's tough on cold, like Advil is on pain.
Advanced formula Advil Cold and Sinus.
Imagine playing beautiful melodies the moment you touch the keyboard. You'd be the life of the party. Now you can. The revolutionary Play the Piano Overnight by Patty Carlson, the amazing home video course, guarantees you'll play beautiful music the very first time you sit down. The secret is Patty's incredible shortcut method that makes playing any keyboard as simple as dialing a telephone. There's never been anything like it. Even if you've never read music or played a note, you'll be playing beautiful music in just minutes. Children love it. No more lessons and scales. It's fun and easy to play the piano the Patty Carlson way.
I enjoyed them a lot because I learned a lot. I had a good time. I didn't know that piano lessons could be so much fun.
I said, play the piano overnight. Come on, me? That's ridiculous. But I watched the tape, and the next day I was playing the piano. There were people in my apartment building passing by me. The piano's in the lobby, and they were stopping, and they couldn't believe it was me.
From the very first day I saw the first tape, and I played those chords across there, that was beautiful. I knew that this was the easiest way I was going to learn how to play the piano. I always wanted to play the piano before, but it was always a struggle. And with Patty's way, it's easy.
Over 200,000 satisfied people purchased the Play the Piano Overnight videotape for $59.95. But wait, for a limited time, you get the videotape, audio cassette, and finger charts, all for the incredible low price of only $19.95. That's a $40 savings. But you must order now. We're so sure you'll play the piano the very first time you sit down that if you're not completely delighted, return it for a full money-back refund, no questions asked. Give the gift of music to yourself, family, and friends. Order today.
To order, call 1-800-544-3111. That's 1-800-544-3111. Have your credit card ready or send a check or money order for $19.95 plus $4.95 shipping and handling to this address. Order now and save $40 off the regular price. You'll get the Play the Piano Overnight videotape, audio tape, and fingering cards for just $19.95 for a limited time only.
Coming to home video. It's Frankenstein as you've never seen it before.
Why did you make me like this?
Patrick Bergen, Randy Quaid. Frankenstein. Coming to home video.
The mind is powerful. Really powerful.
TBS takes you on a journey around the world to witness extraordinary accounts of how people use the power of the mind to heal.
The cancer had disappeared, and I was flabbergasted because I'd never seen that, and I'd been treating cancer for many years.
Hello, I'm Jane Seymour. Join me as I host a TBS original production, The Heart of Healing. 3 nights of remarkable stories of how we heal ourselves.
What do you do when a physician tells you you have 3 months to live and that none of the traditional medicines are going to help you?
Can we keep on using our minds to influence our bodies?
She said, I'm not going to die. I'm going to fight it with everything I have.
We'll look at one journey we all make together.
If I lose my eyesight, I will go on. If I lose 20 pounds, I go on. If I end up in a wheelchair, I go on.
The Heart of Healing, coming October 26th, exclusively on TBS.
We